Hey guys, this is Epson WorkForce Pro WF-M4119. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi Direct.
Yes!
Wi-Fi Direct is without wireless network. Check my video, we connected this printer to Wi-Fi network. But now I want to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi Direct without network for you to be able to use this printer. What you need to do is use side button, go to Wi-Fi and select OK. Then you will see network connection setting. The first option is Wi-Fi recommended. The second one is Wi-Fi Direct. So scroll down to Wi-Fi Direct, select OK. Now the next is start setup, select OK. Now it's setting up. You see the printer model name, see description, method. You scroll down, it give you the Wi-Fi Direct information, and also scroll down, device name, connection type. Okay, scroll down, select complete. Now this printer is connected to Wi-Fi Direct. You will see, once it's connected, you will see the blue. It will highlight, Wi-Fi Direct is highlighting blue. If we connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, it will highlight blue. So it's currently highlighted, Wi-Fi Direct is highlighted in blue color. Then we go back to home page. So once you connected this printer to Wi-Fi Direct, the next thing you need to do, you need to use the side button, go to settings, select OK, then select general settings, select OK. Then you scroll down to network settings, select OK. You will see Wi-Fi setup, wired LAN setup, network status, select network status, select OK, wired LAN Wi-Fi status, Wi-Fi Direct status, or print status sheet. So select Wi-Fi Direct status. Now select the following ICD using smart device. So it will show you the status and also the password. So the password is also available here, so you can clearly see the network name, which is Epson WF, is the network SSID name, and also the password. So to connect this with your mobile phone, what you need to do is then you need to go to your settings, go to connections, select Wi-Fi. Then it will start to look for available Wi-Fi network. Here we go. So it found direct Epson M119. Select on it. Now we need to enter the password. Then you look on the printer screen for the password. So we have the information here. If you lost this, then you can go back again to the settings, select OK, general settings, select OK, go to network settings, select OK, Wi-Fi Direct or network status, select OK. So select print status sheet, select OK, select OK. So now this printer is going to print status sheet. Now this is the document you printed out. There we go. So this status sheet got the Wi-Fi Direct password. Once you print, you can also cancel this. We already have the information here. The reason why I'm printing the status sheet is so we printed out the status sheet. So I'm going to cancel it. So we have printed out the status sheet. So the Wi-Fi Direct SSID is here and the password. You can also see this from the printer. sometimes it will go off, you will miss the information. So ideally it's for you to print out the Wi-Fi Direct password status sheet. So once you printed out Wi-Fi Direct status sheet, you're able to see the password. So I'm going to type the password now. Then select connect. Checking the quality of the internet. You will see internet may not be available. Select connect always. Connected without internet. So now this printer is connected with this phone without internet. If you want to print out documents from the phone, then you go to wherever you save your document, select my file, select the document you want to print out, then gently tap on it, select print, then scroll down from the list and look for Epson printer, then select print. There we go. Printing complete. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi Direct and also print document from your mobile phone. If you want to connect it to your laptop, you need to go to your laptop, network management in your laptop, internet access. So select internet access, then you select the network, manage Wi-Fi connections, and you will see the direct. It will show you the printer information, direct Epson WF-M4119 series. You select on it, then it will ask you to connect automatically, or so the next thing you need to do is you need to select do not connect automatically, remove connect automatically, then select connect. It will ask you enter network security key. Then we'll put the password we printed out earlier. So I'm just gonna type the information. Then you select. You can also select I sign at the end for you to see the information if it is correct. Just double checking the information and I'm happy with it. So select next. So it's checking now the network information. Here we go. No internet secure. So now this printer is connected to Wi-Fi Direct with the laptop and it's showing us here no internet secure. Now if you want to print out document from the laptop to this printer, then you need to go to wherever you save your document. So go to wherever you save your document. Then go to my documents or download. Double click the document you want to print out. So today is a good day. It's just a single page document. Now to print this document out, select printer icon on top, or you select Ctrl+P from the keyboard. You need to also select the correct printer, go from the settings, scroll down and look for this printer. This printer is Epson WorkForce. So scroll down and look for this from the list. If you cannot find it, then you can also select add a printer. It will take you to the settings. Then you need to select add a printer on top. So add a printer. It will start to look for available printer. Here we go, Epson WorkForce printer. WF-M119. You need to select add it, add device. Now it's connecting. The printer is ready. So now this printer is ready Then you go back to your document you want to print out, double click it. Now to print this document, you select Ctrl P or select the printer icon on top. Then you scroll down and look for this printer from the list. Here we go, it's the first on the list. Select and select the print. Now this document is printing. Very quick. Printing complete. So this is the document. Today is a good day. This is the document we printed from the laptop to this printer via Wi-Fi direct. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed.